Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to use your PlayStation 5 remotely with your phone. So what you want to do is go to settings right here, going down to system, and you need to enable this first. So we want to go to where it says remote play and just enable it for your account under here. And you do have the option to pair and connect your device right here with this code if you ever need that. That's where it's located. And then we can go to power saving, go to features available in rest mode, and then go to enable turning on PS5 from network. So if you want to turn on your PS5 for remote play, make sure you have those two options available, and then open up the phone app. So here is my phone right here. Go on over to the Google Play Store or the Apple Store and just download a PlayStation app. So go to search right here, type in PlayStation just like this, and then sign in with your account. And you can see PlayStation Remote Play is listed under here. So you want to get the PS Remote Play app, then also the PlayStation app. So we can go back. So there's two different apps, but you can pretty much get both apps from just the PlayStation app. So just type this in, and this is what this one looks like. I can open it up now and sign in with your account. So I'm going to open this up. Now go to the game library in the bottom right. Then go to your game. So here's Stardew Valley. If you want to just turn it on your PS5 play on console, just go to that. If you want to use remote play, go to here. Play using PS Remote Play. Click this. And it should just launch it. Now, it's not going to come up on my computer. It'll just be a black screen for like copyright purposes or some reason. But it's going to pair your console if you're connected to the same Wi-Fi internet. So make sure it's on the same Wi-Fi as your PS5, your phone, and it should just find it. Otherwise, you're going to need that code I showed you before, and you're going to have to type that in if you're using like a internet connection on a mobile line or something like that. So this should connect, and then you should get like on-screen controls, and you should be able to play. So it's pairing my PS5, and then it should come up on my phone relatively soon, and it looks pretty cool. And there's the pop-up in the top right. So it doesn't take very long to actually connect. There's Stardew Valley in the background. So I can actually use my phone now to control my screen. So you don't see it on my screen, but I'm clicking around. There's Stardew Valley. I can go over to like a new game, or I can just start up an old one. So yeah, check this out. PS Remote Play from your phone, and it's actually pretty cool. So here it is. This is what it looks like. I got all these on-screen controls. I can flip my phone around, and if I need to go to the bathroom or something, I can just play from there. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.